Okay, next question paper 2018, year 2018, and 1 mark questions, two 1 mark questions given. So first one, what is implantation? So do you remember what is implantation? Implantation is one of the reproductive event. Directly you can write from reproductive events given in first page of NCERT textbook. So what is implantation? So implantation is right here given. See here. This is followed by the formation and development of blastocyst, and its attachment to the uterine wall is called implantation. So zygote is formed as an embryo, and the stage of embryo, blastocyst, attaches embedded with uterine wall is called implantation. Otherwise you can write implantation from implantation topic also, same definition is same, right? Okay, so next one, what is fetal ejection reflex? So earlier we discussed already fetal ejection reflex, remembered or not? So what is fetal ejection reflex? Signals for parturition originates from fully developed fetus and placenta induced mild contraction from the uterus is called fetal ejection reflex, right? So what is the definition? So right here, right, fetal ejection reflex given in the parturition topic right here. See, so the signals for parturition originate from the fully developed fetus and placenta which induce mild uterine contractions is called fetal ejection reflex. This is neuroendocrine mechanism. For what purpose? For the delivery of baby. So direct definition, it maybe can give 1 mark or 2 marks also. So in 2 marks there is no 2 marks not given, and 3 mark question also not given, and a 5 mark question again a female reproductive system diagram given, the most important, either male or female reproductive system. So year 2018, these are all we are discussing March papers only. So next upcoming like in May or June, whatever the next exam it will be takes place, that time there is a chances for asking of male reproductive system also. So 5 diagrams are standard, most important, male and female reproductive system, structure of mammary glands, and structure of sperm, and along with structure of ovary. Up to this clear, right? So next one, 2016 paper to year 2016. So here how many marks given total? So 2 1 mark questions and 5 mark question is 1. So total weight is 5 plus 2 7, right? So again they will try asking chance for either 1 2 mark question or 1 5 mark question. Total 7, or 2 2 mark question, 2 1 mark question and 1 5 mark question, right? And 2016 paper 1 mark question, 1 mark questions, 3 1 mark question asked. So asked 3 1 mark questions, 2 and 3 questions are not there, 2 marks and 5 marks, 2 marks and 3 marks questions not there. So 1 mark question. So first one, what is menarche? What is menarche? So remembered or not? So menarche, the first menstruation is called menarche at when, at the time of puberty. So shall we go to menstrual cycle? Right here, the first menstruation begins at puberty and is called menarche. In the process of reproductive cycle, in the process of reproductive events, the first menstruation begins at puberty is called menarche, right? Okay, next one, ovulation takes place on the 14th day of menstrual cycle only. Why? Again same, from same topic like menstrual cycle topic only given, ovulation takes place on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. Why? What is the reason? So what is the reason? I do remember why on the 14th day only. On the 14th day what is takes place? Look at here, the LH surge is takes place, right? Good. Where given LH surge, right? Okay, rapid secretion of LH leading to its maximum level during the mid cycle called LH surge induces rupture of Graafian follicle and thereby release of ovum is called ovulation. So ovulation is takes place and the 14th day only. The reason is what? The reason is LH surge. So ovulation takes place on the 14th day of menstrual cycle. Why? Simple answer, that is LH surge, due to LH surge. LH surge means what? There is a more secretion of maximum level LH is going to be secreted on 14th day, so that all ovulation occurs, right? So next one, what is colostrum? So what is meant by colostrum? The initial days of the lactation period, initial 2-3 days, the secretion of milk takes place from the mother. The yellow color fluid secretion takes place is called colostrum. So already we discussed in lactation, right? So the milk produced during the initial few days of lactation is called colostrum. The milk produced during the initial few days of lactation is called colostrum. Clear? So colostrum contains with what? Colostrum contains with there is IgA antibodies, right? Okay, so 1 more questions given. So next one, 5 more question. Draw a neat labeled sectional view of human female reproductive system. Again a female reproductive system diagram given. So in this duration, this holidays period, you need to practice all the diagrams, with labeling and go through the diagrams and NCERT diagrams only, right? So you can practice more number of times with labeling. So these are the questions given in previous question papers. So next one, 1 and 2 mark questions from NCERT lines. I had made some of the 1 and 2 mark questions from NCERT lines only. Just you go through. So total questions are I think 42 questions given I had made. So go through the questions and open NCERT textbook, go through the NCERT line and write the answers, prepare the answers from NCERT lines only. Okay, so very simple answers, 1 and 2 mark answers only, questions only, right? So go through the NCERT lines and prepare the answers. So this is your work, do it today itself only. Okay, thank you very much. So in next class we will discuss we will start next chapter number 4, reproductive health. Clear all of you? Right. Thank you. Bye bye.